Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing the EcoLoop Pro Sleeve that can fit laptops that range from 11 inches to 14 inches. Let's jump into the unboxing. So with this sleeve, it's really been designed for on-the-go protection. It's designed with the environment in mind, giving you really that complete protection really wherever you are. So cutting the seal here. Pull that out. You will see we do have the EcoLoop Pro Sleeve. Pretty slick. You do have the luggage strap, so if you are heading on a plane, you're able to keep your notebook safely. There's a wonderful zipper. You do have a shoulder strap. It's got a front zippered pocket. They have ample room for mouse and pens, your power adapter. You could probably fit quite a bit. And then the inner area, one of the cool things is it's made with 100% ocean-bound plastic, and there's roughly about 7 water bottles that make up this. The exterior is water resistant 840D ballistic materials. Inside is a Nylex fabric that is not going to scratch obviously your device. And in my hands is a Precision 5000 series mobile workstation. This would be the 14-inch. So putting it in, zipping up, you have a ton of space. So in this sleeve, just to show you what you can actually fit, I've got my trusty old MS700 twist and go mouse. I do have my active pen. Perhaps you wanted to put a physical pen, you're more than welcome to. And I've got my trusty little charger in case I need some juice while I'm on the go. And closing that zipper, relatively compact. This would be the EcoLoop Pro Sleeve. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Take care.